Welcome to ZKTCO India official YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain how to connect the ZKTCO EM lock with F19 standalone device and RS485 reader for the anti-passback purpose. For that I am going to explain now how to do the connections. You can see here from the ZKTCO EM lock, negative should be connected with the 12V power supply negative and positive should be connected with the F19 device NC. From the device COM should be connected with the 12V power supply positive. And reader connection, from the reader RS485 reader, RS485 negative should be connected with the device RS485B and RS485 positive should be connected with the RS485A. This reader requires 12V power supply. For that I have given the external 12V power supply. For that we should connect positive to the positive and ground should be connected with the negative. This is how we will do the connection, and we should do some settings in the master device. For that, go for the main menu. Inside main menu, go for the access control, anti-passback setup. Here we should select anti-passback direction as in or out anti-passback and go back, go for COM menu. Inside COM menu, go for serial COM. Here we should select serial port as master unit. So this is the settings we should do in the F19 device. I am using the F19 device for in purpose and RS485 reader for the out purpose. I have already registered one user, so I am doing punch in through in device now. Verification successful. You can see the indicator EM lock opened. It will close after 5 seconds. I start the timing. Now I am doing punch through out through RS485 reader. Verification successful. Again EM lock opened. It will close after 5 seconds. If I am again doing the punch out through RS485 reader, means it will not take. It will say illegal access. You can see. This is how we will connect the ZKTCO EM lock with F19 standalone device and RS485 reader for the anti-passback purpose. Thank you.